Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Spanish ebook before it's gone.
Eres guapo. You're handsome. Eres guapo. You're handsome. If you're telling this to a girl, you would say, eres guapa. So be careful about that. Gran trabajo. Great job. Gran trabajo. Great job. This is the kind of compliment you always want to hear from your boss, I guess. Tu currículum es impresionante. Your resume is impressive. Tu currículum es impresionante. Your resume is impressive. I think for me, an impressive resume would be one that shows that the people traveled a lot and knows a lot of languages maybe and have a lot of different experience in very different fields. Me haces querer ser una mejor persona. You make me want to be a better person. Me haces querer ser una mejor persona. You make me want to be a better person. Yeah, that's the type of people you want to be with. Esa chaqueta te queda bien. That jacket looks good on you. Esa chaqueta te queda bien. That jacket looks good on you. So what do you guys think about my t-shirt? Do you like it? Eres inteligente. You're smart. Eres inteligente. You're smart. Yeah, it feels really good to hear that, especially from your teachers. Eres un amigo genial. You're an awesome friend. Eres un amigo genial. You're an awesome friend. I think an awesome friend is someone that it's there always for you, like for both the good and the bad times, especially the bad times. Tu sonrisa es preciosa. Your smile is beautiful. Tu sonrisa es preciosa. Your smile is beautiful. Me encanta cómo cocinas. I love your cooking. Me encanta cómo cocinas. I love your cooking. I'm not that good at cooking, to be honest. Te ves impresionante. You look gorgeous. Te ves impresionante. You look gorgeous. I hope someone would tell that to me. Aburrido. Bored. Aburrido. Bored. Para mí es aburrido jugar a las cartas. I get bored when I play cards. Nervioso. Nervous. Nervioso. Nervous. Hablar en público me pone nerviosa. Speaking in public makes me nervous. Disgustado. Upset. Disgustado. Upset. Juan estaba muy disgustado porque perdió el partido. Juan was very upset because he lost the match. No, Juan. Enfadado. Angry. Enfadado. Angry. María está siempre enfadada con su novio. María is always angry at her boyfriend. Solitario. Lonely. Solitario. Lonely. Marcos es una persona solitaria y nunca habla con nadie. Marcos is a very lonely person and he never talks to anyone. Triste, sad, triste, sad. Me pone muy triste ver a esos dos pelear. It makes me very sad watching those two argue. Frustrado, frustrated, frustrado, frustrated. A Ana le frustra mucho que las cosas no salgan como quiere. Ana gets very frustrated if things don't turn out the way she wants. Dolido, hurt. Dolido, hurt. Me sentí muy dolida cuando no me llamaste. I felt very hurt when you didn't call me. Desanimado, discouraged. Desanimado, discouraged. Tus críticas me desanimaron. Your criticism discouraged me. Decepcionado, disappointed. Decepcionado, disappointed. Me decepcionó mucho tu comportamiento. Your behavior really disappointed me. ¿Puedo añadir algo aquí? Can I add something here? ¿Puedo añadir algo aquí? Can I add something here? So it's a polite way to interrupt someone who's talking. ¿Qué opinas? What do you think? ¿Qué opinas? What do you think? Always nice to ask for others' opinions. Así es exactamente como me siento. That's exactly how I feel. Así es exactamente como me siento. That's exactly how I feel. Yeah, nice expression to agree with someone when you're having like a deeper conversation, I would say. Eso es cierto. That's true. Eso es cierto. That's true. You're learning Spanish. That's true. Es cierto. No estoy de acuerdo. No. I don't agree. No. No estoy de acuerdo. No. I don't agree. No. One time is not enough. You have to repeat it at the end. No hay duda de eso. No doubt about it. No hay duda de eso. No doubt about it. So if someone would tell me oatmeal is an awesome breakfast food, I could say, no doubt about it. No hay duda de eso. No podría estar más de acuerdo contigo. I couldn't agree with you more. No podría estar más de acuerdo contigo. I couldn't agree with you more. Sushi is the best food ever. I couldn't agree with you more. No podría estar más de acuerdo contigo. Sí, tienes razón. Yes, you're right. Sí, tienes razón. Yes, you're right. SpanishPod101.com is the best way to learn Spanish. Yes, you're right. Vamos a seguir adelante, ¿vale? Let's just move on, shall we? Vamos a seguir adelante, ¿vale? Let's just move on, shall we? If some discussion is getting a little bit too heated at some point, you just can say that and try to move on to another topic. Exactamente. Exactly. Exactamente. Exactly. He should take better care of his health. Exactly. Exactamente. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? This is a more formal way of asking how are you. A more colloquial way would be ¿qué tal? Gracias por preguntar. Thank you for asking. Gracias por preguntar. Thank you for asking. Estoy bien. I'm fine. So this is the most common response you can get to how are you? When you don't really want to explain anything else, you just say estoy bien. ¿Y tú? And you? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo has estado recientemente? How have you been recently? This you could ask to someone you haven't seen in some time. Yeah, you're curious about how they've been. Tengo sueño. I'm sleepy. Tengo sueño. I'm sleepy. No estoy mal. I'm not bad. So when you're not particularly fine but also not bad, you can say this. It's kind of in a middle ground. Estoy cansado. I'm tired. Estoy cansado. I'm tired. So you should rest a bit more. Me siento mal. I'm feeling bad. You could say this either if you are having some physical pain, also if you are feeling bad psychologically because of something. So I'm inventing some of them because they are not words. Estoy regular. I'm so-so. So again, if you are not fine but you're not bad either, you can say this. Estoy agobiado. I'm stressed. So you can say this if you have a lot of things to do, have a lot of work, or you're busy studying for some exams. This is the end of today's 10 responses to how are you. I hope all of you are fine. I hope you like this video and also don't forget to subscribe. Hasta luego!